Boss!
Hello. Where are we going?
We're going to live, bro. Sa Ateneo lang yun, may bridge dun pagka nagawa na. Direct to the school. Kumain ka na dun?
Oh.
Ano kinain mo?
Sa...
You report on pop culture, so I expect you to know some people, right?
Sakto lang.
Eye Patch Avengers.
Nick Fury.
No, the real name. His real name.
Ano po name niya eh? Seryoso.
You got 40 seconds.
Samuel Jackson.
Yeah, down. Hot chick, also Marvel, Jewish, Israeli, not Jewish, Israeli, tall. I forgot Wonder. Is it Wonder Woman?
Scarlet Witch.
Fast and Furious. She was also there. Pass. You could pass. Oh, I like it. What's his name, bro? Okay, this is my fault. Okay, we'll do that again. Sacha Baron Cohen.
Hindi.
You don't know who that is?
Ang movie niya.
Wala.
Pass.
Huwag ka na search.
Shit, di ko kilala itong
Ano ba yan?
President of the US.
Trump.
No. The black guy.
Barack Obama.
Si Friends. Si Pivot.
Ross. Ross? Is that his name?
Real name niya.
Oh, I forgot, dude. David Schwimmer.
Okay. Tennis. One of the tennis legends.
Girl?
No. Starts with an R.
Paring hype lang kilala ko, pare.
Don't change the thing, you are amazing.
May gift pala ako sa'yo, boss. Boom.
Ay, grabe naman. Thank you.
I got you. Sino gumawa logo niyo?
Ako lang.
Saan mo ginawa? Canva?
Canva lang.
Actually, yung akin yung Canva lang yun eh.
Pero yung colors nyo, bakit?
At first, sabi ko pink. Pero bro show eh. Ang dami naming sample na iba-iba. Tapos biglang sinend niya yung ganito, cap na may red brim. Sabi ko, yun. Mafe-feel mo kasi, di ba?
Ganda niya. Saan ka pa diba?
There
are times when I'm lying in my bed, my pillow and cry.
The man behind Sports Papi. Paano mo naisip?
Sports Papi, nagbigin siya. Nung pagka-graduate ko, try ako mag-sports writer. After a year, medyo nadidrain na ako. Nakuulit-ulit ako susulat. Nag-shoot din ako ng contents noon habang nagsusulat. Tapos yung mga sinushoot kong contents, nag-trend siya, naging viral. Nakuha na million views, ganyan. So sinabi ko, try ko mag-start na akong content. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me?
Congrats pala kita.
Ay, thank you.
Ano?
Engaged.
Locked in.
Dancing in the dark, you between my arms.
How did you plan it out?
Yung court na yun, kasi gusto ko sports, sports theme. First time niya mag-US na ito lang rin. Tapos, nagpaalam na ako, kumuha na ang blessing sa family niya, sa parents. Ganun. Okay naman sila. Pagbaba namin ng car, sabi niya, shit, sobrang ganda dito. So parang ako, deep inside, kinikilig ako. Sabi ko, okay, perfect.
Nervous ka ba?
Oo naman. Actually, may content dapat kami noon na nag-shoot siya, tapos nag-turn around. Dapat content yun na parang siguro tig 5 or 10 shots each kami.
Yeah.
Tapos na mag-turn around. Parang kasi ganun yung ginagawa ni Steph Curry. Sobrang kabakula ako na shoot. Also, mahangin din. Nung nakashoot naman talaga ako. Listening to our favorite song. Nung pagload ko, habang nagsasalita ako, alam mo kung ano sabi niya sa akin? Nagpaalam ka ba kay mommy? Hindi, sabi ko, nakikinig ka ba sa sinasabi ko? Darling, you look perfect tonight.
What's been the coolest or most surreal moment you've had?
Siguro yung na-meet ko si D-Rose. Siya yung nagre-rebound for me. Tapos binigyan sa akin bonus. Sabi ko, lagi may NBA player na naggawa nito para sa akin.
Nakashoot ka ba?
Nakashoot ako isa. Blindfolded yun.
Who do you think's gonna win this season's UAP men's basketball?
I don't know. Unlike before, alam mo na, before pa mag-start season, lang mag-aarap sa finals eh. Pero this year, sobrang competitive. Maganda yung chances ng USD, I think. Solid ni Collins eh. Meron kayong mga players na parang na-interview na hindi siya okay.
Yung nagdadasal.
O yung nagdadasal pare, yung kapatid nung tropa ko. Honestly, I can't blame him, you know. Di naman siya required to answer my questions, or he's not required to be cool with that.
Saya na
I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. What's your dream starting lineup?
Gusto mo ano? College. First parang starting 5 college basketball. Point guard, gusto ko si Titing Manalili from Latran. Shooting guard, Jacob Cortez, Lasal. Small forward, si John T. Miller, San Beda. Power forward, si Kimani Ladi, Ateneo. Center ko siguro either si Colin Sacoe ng UST or si Mike Phillips, Lasal.
You also like watching TV shows. What are your favorites?
Friends, The Office, Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
If we played a game about friends, you think you would get it?
I think so.
Who was Monica's first kiss?
Si Ross?
What was the name of Ross's second wife?
Emily.
What's the name of Joey's stuffed penguin?
Hugsy.
Which character famously shouted, "Pivot!"
Si Ross.
Of course. What is the name of Ross and Monica's dog that died when they were kids?
Naku po. Ano? Sige.
Chi-Chi. Last one. What song makes Ross and Rachel's daughter Emma laugh for the first time?
Ano? Shoutout mo yung kapatid ko. Nanonood sa yan eh. Sabi mo, Bea. Sabi mo maglinis siya sa bahay.
Eya! Maglinis ka daw ng bahay. Hingi ka madaming gift, madami palang pera to.
Sunflower still grows in high. Sa Lasal ba parang ilang percent yung konyo?
Bro, you'd be surprised. Like, I have a lot of friends that talk like it.
Sobrang common talaga.
Yeah, it's, yo, what's up, pare? Di ba ganun matagal at Ran, pare?
Konti lang eh.
Konti lang.
Sobrang konti nga eh. Loving is easy. You had me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Loving is easy. Everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Oh,
Thanks for being on the show, bruh. Can you smell? Yeah.
It's your birthday.
We gotta party like it's your birthday. You wanna have a cardio like it's your birthday.
Di ko lang kung name niya. Kapatid ng ex-wife ni Kanye.
Sino dun?
Letter K.
Lahat sila kay pare.